welcome to this class. In today's class, we'll be talking about subject of formula. This is question number 13 in our UTME questions. We're told to make x the subject of the formula y equals to 3x minus 9c divided by 4x plus 4d. So we are asked to make x the subject of formula. If you look at this question critically, you find out that x appear in two different places, here and here, right? To make x the subject of formula in this kind of question, you need to bring this x and this x together. Now, how do you bring it together? Let's move into action. So, this is the question. Y equals 3x minus 9c divided by 4x plus 5b. Now, cross multiply so that we can cancel this fraction. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, this will multiply this, y this over 1, this will multiply 1, and this will multiply x. So this will multiply y, this will multiply y. So to this one multiplying y, you have y, open bracket, 4x plus 5 equals to, this multiplying this, still give you this, so you have 3x minus 9c. The next thing is to open this bracket. Y multiplied by 4x will give us 4xy plus this plus y multiplied by 5d give us 5y equal to, bring down this 3x minus 9c. Now the next thing to do here, 4xy, right? This 3x will come to this side, becomes minus 3x equals, and this one coming to this place becomes minus 2. So we have minus 9c minus 5dy. Hope you're following. Now the next thing to do is to factor out x out, right? Factor out x. Now 4xy divided by x, what you have left is 4y. So here will be 4y. Bring down the minus. 3x divided by x, what you will have left is 3. Close the bracket, equals to minus 9c minus 5dy. Right? Now, this is it. Then divide both sides by this value, 4y minus 3. Now, if you divide this side by 4y minus 3, it will cancel out this. You'll be left with x. X will be equal to this divided by 4y minus 3. Minus 9c minus 5dy divided by 4y minus 3. So this is the answer. This is the answer of the question. You can see that this is not too hard to calculate. I believe you enjoy this class. If you enjoy it, give us a like and make sure to share for others to see. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.